Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the data science project template. Typically, any IT project has a project structure with various components. So let us have a quick look at the data science project components. So the first one is obviously we've got data and we've got a lot of data. So process data and we've got raw data. We've got some reports. We've got some visualizations which we might have created in R or Python or some other visualization tool. We've got some documentation. We've got some models that we have built. We have some notebooks and we have some references. So all of these components, we need to structure it as part of our IT project. So in the next one, I've got the Azure Data Science project template, which contains data, docs, and code. So these are the three components and you can look at it. So a code could contain deployment, modeling, and data acquisition and understanding. So which could again be Python, or it could be something else. We've got docs, so we could have some information or metadata about data included in data dictionaries. We could have some data reports. We could have some models. And then we have data. So we have a similar structure there. And why do we need a data science project template? So if we have multiple team members who are working on a similar project, we want a similar structure or project structure. So the code references are the same and they don't need to be changed before deployment or before we productionize the code. It helps to standardize the code because everybody is following the same structure. It's faster to learn for new team members. They can, once they understand the template, they can start coding rather than trying to understand every different coding style or multiple coding styles in the project. It enables reusability. So if somebody's written a code and another person is aware that that code exists, they could just grab it from the, let's say, utilities folder or some other folder and reuse it. So all the above four would help ensure higher confidence and a better morale for the team in building a data science project, and which would in turn contribute to a higher improved quality. So that is, well, the 6 reasons I could think of that we need a data science template. Now, I'm aware of 2 data science templates which I really like. One is the Microsoft Azure, and I've got a link to that. And then the other one is Cookiecutter Data Science template. You can go and explore these links. I will leave these links in the video notes. For future videos, we will be following the Cookiecutter Data Science template. So just to summarize what we did, we learned about why we need a data science template. What are the benefits of using one? What are the various components of a data science template? So yeah, that's about all we covered. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.